Imagine a world where doctors can diagnose diseases before symptoms even show up. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Thanks to artificial intelligence, the future of medical imaging is here, and it's changing everything we know about healthcare. Stick around because today we're diving deep into how AI is revolutionizing medical imaging and saving lives. Medical imaging has come a long way since X-rays were first discovered in 1895. But even today, traditional methods have their limits. Did you know up to 20% of medical imaging interpretations can result in diagnostic errors? And time? Radiologists often spend hours analyzing complex scans, but what if we could help doctors read scans faster and more accurately? Enter artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a game changer in medical imaging. By using advanced algorithms, AI can analyze X-rays, MRIs, Connecticut scans, you name it, with breathtaking speed and precision. For example, Google's DeepMind created an AI that detects over 50 eye diseases just from retinal scans, often outperforming human specialists. And it doesn't stop there. AI is not just identifying diseases like cancer earlier, but also predicting how they might progress. This allows doctors to personalize treatments like never before. Now some people worry, will AI replace doctors? Here's the truth. AI isn't here to take over, it's here to assist. Think of it as a second pair of eyes, spotting subtle patterns a human might miss. Together, humans and AI are a dream team. This partnership means faster diagnoses, fewer errors, and more time for doctors to focus on their patients. Let's look at real-world examples. In one hospital, an AI tool cut stroke diagnosis time from an average of 60 minutes to just 5. And during the COVID-19 pandemic, AI helped analyze lung scans to differentiate between COVID and other respiratory conditions. Lives were saved because decisions could be made faster. These stories are just the beginning. Of course, there are challenges. Data privacy, bias in algorithms, and the need for human oversight are all hot topics. But researchers are tackling these issues head-on. The goal? To ensure AI in medical imaging is safe, ethical, and accessible to everyone. The future of medical imaging with AI is bright. From early cancer detection to personalized care, AI isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in healthcare. And the best part? We're only scratching the surface. What do you think about AI in healthcare? Are you excited, or do you have concerns? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into how technology is shaping our world.